Ang next property na pag-uusapan natin is, for example, we have here the nth root of A, tapos divided by nth root of B. Okay, so as you can see, same po ang index nilang ni A at saka ni B, n. So pag same po ang index, you can again combine the two of them. So pwedeng nyo siyang isulat as the nth root of A over B. So yung index po ninyo, sulat nyo lang, tapos lagay nyo lang yung A over B. Basta po, B is not equal to 0. Let's say, for example, we have cube root of 50 over cube root of 10. So, kasi same po sila ng index 3. So, we can rewrite that one as the cube root of 50 over 10. So, 50 over 10 is 5. So, the answer is actually cube root of 5. So, ganun lang po. Kadali mag-simplify ng mga ganyan. Kahit po x and y, yan, ano. So, for example, cube root of x, ganyan. Tapos, cube root of y. So, basically, magiging cube root yan ng x over y. Basta po, same lang po yung index po nila.